When it comes to setting a desired setting or mood in your bedrooms, there are golden and simple rules that we all can follow and make it work for us. Hello friends, my name is Vandana Jain and today I'm going to be sharing with you some really interesting and simple tips that you can use in your bedroom and let it work for you as your personal sanctuary that will help you recover your body and soul through the day. So, what are those tips? There are certain golden rules that we require to always follow when we set up a room because a lot goes inside a space. So there are furnitures, there are walls, there are flooring, there are ceilings, there are accessories, there are furnishing, there are floor covers. There are many things that goes into it. How should we plan all of those? Should we copy trends or should we follow our instincts? Should we follow aesthetics? Should we follow an ideology? Or what is the way to make it work for us? In my personal opinion, I find that the space, something like bedroom, needs to be treated with a lot of careful inputs so that it recovers, it recharges and refreshes our body and soul. So in this video, I will be sharing with you quick tips which you can use and see how your bedroom is really creating vibes for you. After watching this video, do you have any suggestion or you would want to seek advice on how to make your bedroom work for yourself, please feel free to drop in comments in the comment section below. So let's see how does we can make our bedrooms work for us. Number one tip is to choose color palette that are very soothing to your eyes. It's always suggested to go in for muted color palettes like peaches, rose, tinted blues, pastels, earthy colors so that you don't feel that it is coming on to you when you would want to relax and you have lower or dimmed light in your space. It feels all the more spacious and brighter when you have tinted color palette into your space. So it's always good that you choose things like bedrooms, walls, ceilings, flooring in the color palette which are very soothing. But if you would want to really play vibrant in your space, you can add colors on your pillows or add an artwork which is very colorful, or you can add a small rug besides your bed so that you can add and feel some freshness of colors in your space. But it is always suggested to add colors, bold colors in your space if you have a big bedroom. Number two tip is to utilize warm lighting in your space because multiple scientific studies shows that cortisols or melatonin hormones they are responsible for us to make very comfortable and to make us feel sleepy during the sunsets. So when we have come from the nature, let's follow the nature's rule. During the sunset, we get warm and soft light. So our circadian rhythm feels very light and very soft during that time. So for that, we need to be utilizing that same color palette in our lighting in the space itself. So how can you achieve that? You can add LED strips in your ceilings of warmer color light tones, or you can hang the pendant light that is in a warm color light tone, or you can have bedside tables in a warm temperature light fixtures. These things will add that kind of a feeler in your space which will make you feel and sleep better and you will feel relaxed. So it's always suggested that utilize the active light in the daytime and use this warmer tone of light in the evening time. You will feel relaxed. Number 3 tip is to try and use softer textures in your space. Bedrooms are meant to be restful, they need to be decorative, but before the sleep, we need to feel the softer sensations so that we can fall asleep easy. So it's always good to invest in a very nice and a softer foot mat under your bed, or you can invest in softer comforter, cotton bud comforters, or you can add velvety pillows so that you can really feel soft before you fall asleep and relax. It's always good to invest into soft treatments because that will make you feel cozier and you will fall relaxed and asleep quickly. So it is very interesting that you can always utilize these textures and add it to your advantage. Number 4 tip is to keep your bedrooms as decluttered as possible, because whatever we see, we kind of absorb and we feel anxious and stressed if we feel a mismanaged space. So whenever we see things orderly or clean, we feel a sense of order, we feel a sense of cleanliness inside. So it kind of brings out into our mood and our emotions gets transformed. So do keep your spaces very nice, clean, hygienic and orderly. Always make sure that wherever you sit, relax and you would like to feel energetic and active is the space where you are having the right kind of cleanliness and it is all the more organized. For organizing your space, you can use multiple storage systems in the bed, over the almirahs, sometimes behind the headboard, so you can actually be utilizing the wall at the back of your bed and add some storage and incorporate that in your bed headboards. So there are multiple ways of adding storage so that you don't keep your stuff out in open. Number 5th tip, and a very interesting tip, is to add scents or to add fragrances in your spaces. They're very popular bedroom scents that are available easily, and I recommend to use only natural scents that you can utilize into your space. Vanilla, bergamot, chamomile, roses, jasmine. These are very popular scents that you can utilize and it enhances your sleep because it slows down your nervous system, which is active throughout the day. So whenever you are into that slow movement of your mind, then you can actually easily fall asleep. So it becomes really interesting for all of us to follow these 5 golden rules and make our bedroom our personal sanctuaries and let it work and make it work for us for the next day. It recovers, this whole treatment recovers the body and soul and make us feel energetic for the next day. I hope that you found these tips and tricks interesting and understand that design is not only about making it look beautiful, but it is also to make it work for your 5 senses and work it like that way so that you can actually understand the meaning of adding that comfort into your space. Thank you for watching, and if you like our channel, if you like our videos, please keep motivate us by liking and sharing, subscribing our videos. Have a very good day, stay home and stay safe. Thank you so much.